In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to cancel Crunchyroll subscription. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to the website crunchyroll.com, and this is a website where you can watch all the different types of anime. So now let's say you want to cancel your subscription or you don't want to watch anymore here and you don't want it to charge you money for it. So you can just go to the website, click on your profile, and then go to my account. Okay, so once you're here, you're gonna see all your account info, for example, membership info, preferences, email notification, and all etc. So here you'll have to click on the purchase and credit option, order history. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, so once that is done, it's gonna take me to a new page like here where it says profile settings, account settings, and purchases and credits. So in my case, I haven't bought a membership right now, but I'm just giving you an example. So here you'll have to click on premium membership status. So you're gonna go there. So as you guys can see right now, no membership is purchased, but for you there'll be an option to cancel. So you can just click cancel and it's gonna be canceled for you. If you can't see the option here, you can always go to payment methods. So once I'm on the payment methods, there'll be an option here. You can just can't delete your card from the website, so it can't charge you any more money. And when your period is finished, it'll automatically cancel. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.